Okay, today I'm gonna show you the calibration of the Blitz DT9 transmitter by Detrum Tech. Yeah. First of all, we get to the Android system set. Number 7, calibration. Yeah. Some of the guys you gonna just confirm it, and you can check here. Check the cursor and the check is not right, is it? So this is an incorrect way to calibration. Now let's turn back.
System set.
And again, we enter it.
Calibration.
We're gonna to do the other steps. Gonna turn it to full throttle on each way, and turn to the neutral, and on the back. Full. Okay, the knob left and right. Okay, and then press enter. Now we can check the verification, the curse and the check on each way, the center. Yeah, it's very precise. Yeah, it's correct. We can enter it. So it is down. Now we can turn back and go to the channel monitor. We can check here. Check the throttle up and down, the aileron up and down, the elevator up and down. Yeah, correct. The rudder up and down, correct. So this is down. Okay.